Every story needs a setting, but not a lot of writers are considering the importance of place.
Hang on, there's a difference between setting and place? I thought they were the same thing.
In a way, they both refer to location, but the difference is that setting uses location to enhance or support the plot, while place takes it a step further. Understanding the idea behind place and how to use this in your writing is a great way to add depth, texture, and resonance to your story. Think of it this way. Setting is more or less just an interesting location for your story to take place. A hotel, a train station, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Now, I mentioned the Burj Khalifa because I recently watched Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol, in which this skyscraper is used as a really interesting setting. The movie relishes the setting, in fact, and it is really fun to watch what they do with it, but it is never, ever about place. Place is when a location is given the same amount of care, respect, and attention that we give to a character. It's when a story seeks to capture the essence of what a place is and show us a bit of what it's truly like. Mission Impossible doesn't do this. It basically uses the Burj Khalifa as like a really fun playground. And while that's fun, you don't leave the movie with any sense of what the place is like and what it feels like to inhabit that place, or even what Dubai is as a place. Now, a movie that really excels in its exploration of place is Lost in Translation. You come away from this movie with a really palpable sense of what it's like to inhabit Tokyo as an outsider. Jet lag, karaoke bars, cultural missteps, and all. So if you want to start thinking about how to use place in your story, spend a few minutes reflecting on the setting you've chosen and answer these questions. Why did I choose this setting? What ideas or feelings do I want to communicate about this setting? If I was an outsider in this setting, what would I notice? If I was a regular in this setting, what would my life be? And if this setting was a character, what would be their personality? Incidentally, a book that does this really well is Rebecca by Daphne du Maurier, which I happen to be rereading right now. And if you've never read it and you want to see place in action in a book, do check it out. And please let me know if you can think of any other books and movies that deal with place.